Let me show you how your business can triple its profit with an animated video like this one. Take John as an example. He was struggling with his first sales online. Basically, he relied only on his local network, which wasn't enough. John didn't know what to do until he found out these animations could attract more clients over the internet. In the video, he could show the benefits that his services provide: cost savings, payment facilities, and his company's reputation. All that in only 60 seconds, in an appealing and captivating way. Guess what? In the first month he sent out his videos, he got 5 new orders. And do you know those long reads on your website that don't call anyone's attention? John swapped them for short videos, and his contacts skyrocketed. That had never happened before. Wait, and there's more. Do you know those ads that pop up while you're watching a YouTube video? He's made the whole town watch his video, and only that has led to more new orders. The frosting on the cake comes with the ad's visibility on Facebook and Instagram, platforms which his customers spend all day long browsing on their smartphones. As soon as the video was up and running, John's WhatsApp was overloaded with requests. Do you want to know the result of all that? Today, John is absolutely sure that investing in animated videos, the payoff will come. What are you waiting for to have these videos working 24/7 to make your business grow? Contact us today, and together, let's expand your business.